Former President Donald Trump off the campaign trail and back into another courtroom today, this time in Florida, where Natalie Brand reports on how his lawyers are trying to persuade a judge to drop charges in that classified documents case.
Outside the federal courthouse in Fort Pierce, Florida Thursday, former President Trump's supporters gathered as he and lawyers arrived for a hearing to try and get the classified documents case dismissed.
There are basically two motions to dismiss that are on the docket for today, where Judge Cannon said, clear the day, we're going to talk about both of these.
Attorneys spent the morning discussing Trump's motion that the statute he's been charged with is unconstitutionally vague. Judge Eileen Cannon, a Trump appointee, signaled skepticism, telling Trump's attorney declaring a statute unconstitutionally vague is an extraordinary step. Trump's legal team also contends the former president is shielded from prosecution by the Presidential Records Act, arguing he was still the president when many of the documents were packed and delivered to Mar-a-Lago. Prosecutors say the act does not exempt Trump from criminal law or entitle him to declare highly classified presidential records are personal. In the Georgia election interference case, the judge there tossed out 3 of the 13 counts against the former president, but legal analysts say most of that case remains intact.
The crux of the case remains the racketeering, which is the core of the case. All of those charges stand. But the prosecution could fairly easily go to a grand jury and say, we are going to add that specificity now.
Judge Scott McAfee has not yet ruled on whether District Attorney Fani Willis should be removed from the case over a romantic relationship with Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade. Natalie Brand, CBS News, Washington.